this sword is a special sword. You know why?
Why, bud?
Cause look. And then demo
Shake the
mode.
katana for a short demo. Go!
Wow, that's cool.
Today, these are my 3 volunteers.
Who are your
Leo,
volunteers?
Casey Jones, and Metalhead. Dad, look at this. He can even move his arms.
That's cool.
And they can even do this.
What are they doing?
They're stretching.
Why are they stretching?
Because it's been a long day.
What are we opening up today, bud?
A lot of things. I just screwed down my map.
Mm-hmm.
Today we're opening up day 7, day 8, and day 9. We missed a few days because we had to go to family gatherings. So just open them up. First, let's start with day 7.
Do you need help, bud?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I got it. Oh.
What do you have there? What do you have?
Mousers!
Cool. You got the
Golden mouse.
mousers?
I knew it!
Now
Okay.
find day 8.
Right here.
What do you think day 8 is?
I think it's Spike.
You think it's Spike? Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Huh? It's Raphael's mask and stuff. Even has his own pizza.
It has Raph's mask
So
and
Dad,
pizza.
Dad, I want to change it to Raph.
Cool, we will, but we gotta find day 9. Where's day 9? Can anyone tell us where day 9 is? Can you find it?
Yeah.
I found it. Here it is.
There's here.
Let's see. It's this one right here, but
This one.
put your finger in there. There you go. You think you can do it? You think you can do it?
It's Raph's stuff.
It's more of Raph's stuff.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. What is it?
It's weapons.
Oh, that's cool.
So cool. So let's open it.
Okay, we're gonna start with the mousers, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bud. Open up the mousers.
Duplicate muscles.
Ooh, there's a lot of parts for the mousers.
That's.
Alright, we got the mousers together.
No.
Rah! What kind of sounds do they make? Do they make a chomping sound?
They're from Baxter Stockman.
Oh, Baxter Stockman made these guys?
Metal.
Are they made out
They're
of metal?
super cool. The mouth can open.
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
Let me see. I gotta look close. Okay. What do you want to call these mousers?
Electrical mouse.
Electrical. How about we call this one Frank and that other one Bob? Hey, Bob.
Hey Frank.
How's everything going?
Good.
Hey.
Today we're gonna destroy the TV.
You want to destroy the TV?
Yeah.
Yeah, but then I
Ninja
want.
Turtles TV.
But I wanted to watch SpongeBob SquarePants.
But that's not our movie. It's Mousers.
Oh, Mousers is our movie?
Alright? So let's destroy the turtle.
Maybe later, okay?
I'm kinda hungry.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry.
So let's go get some pizza.
Alright, let's go.
Alright? So next is this. Since the mouse hungry mouser.
Since the Mousers want pizza, you're gonna what?
Get the pizza next.
Gonna get the pizza. Whose pizza is that?
Raphael's.
Oh, you think Raphael will share pizza with Mousers?
No, he will share it with himself. Raph's
Yeah.
always greedy.
Oh no, he needs to share because
He
it's
can even
Christmas.
share with his brothers. He only shares with his brothers and himself. Alright, here it is.
Alright.
Super cool. So change his mask. See you later, Leo.
Alright, I'll see you later. Ooh. Hey, you took his head off. Don't eat his head.
But Dad, I'm trying to take his mask off.
Do you need help?
Look.
Oh no, Leo, what happened? Hey
Maskless.
Leo,
He
what's
looks
happening,
maskless.
bud? You look funny. Hey, you look better now that you have your mask on.
No.
You used to be Leo, but now you're Raphael.
Yeah.
What did you discover?
Look, the pizza is.
Wow, it's like a top.
Yeah.
Cool.
Dad, look.
Does the
Look.
mousers want to eat?
No.
And
They
you
already ate Turtle Leo.
They ate Leo, poor Leo. So you're gonna make Pizza Shield?
There's even 2 pizzas now. Look, this one has pepperoni with candy canes.
Pepperoni and candy canes. Wow, what kind of combination
And
is
then
that?
Leo himself got peppermints and himself. Johnny got fishes and himself.
What's your favorite kind of pizza, bud?
Anchovy and olives.
Alright, we got day 9. What is this?
That's weapons.
It's wraps. Are those katanas?
No, they're size.
Their size.
Size.
What kind of size are they? Are they exercise?
No, they're weapons.
You didn't get my joke, did you?
So,
Let's put it together.
Dad,
Alright.
you're
Wait, let's get them standing. Can't wait to get his weapons. How does it look, bud? Is it looking good?
it's looking difficult.
Really? Why is it difficult?
It's too hard.
Do you need
It's not,
assistance?
it's not as hard as blues.
Would you like me to help you?
Just please.
Alright, let's take a look at what you got here. Ta-da!
Let's put Raph's size in his hand.
Did you get it in his hands?
1,
Buckle my shoe.
3, 4, shut it off. Hey Dad, you
What's
might
up?
want to get this brother. For day 7, we got the mousers. They're too shiny. We got Raph's mask, pizza. Then for day 9, we got Raph's size and weapon. Thank you for watching. For more news, please subscribe.
Turtle power! Bring it on! Go! We got this!
Turtle power.